Here is a room tour of room 1510 at Beaches Ocho Rios, a Caribbean Oceanview luxury suite king. This room has a bathroom with a full-size tub and shower, and it also comes with different amenities such as shampoo, conditioners, body washes, and lotions. And there are double sinks in this one too. It also comes with a very large closet. Now this is the king version of the room. It also does have the option to come with 2 double beds rather than the king size room. And there are different shelves and drawers. As you saw, there's some next to the bed as well for storage for your belongings. And there is also a mini fridge with beverages that is all inclusive as well. Now coming down here, there is a couch that does have a separate pull-out bed. So that's 2 different spaces for sleeping, and it also comes with this beautiful view. If you have any questions about this room, resort, or any other travel related questions, please feel free to comment below. And if you're new to my channel and looking for a vacation for yourself, you can go to my link tree and fill out a travel request form, and I will personally reach out to start the travel planning. And as always, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for all travel related content.